It all starts in the untouched, deep wilderness. Redirecting the river power sets the foundation for sustainable luxury energy.
Solid rock foundations ensure this luxury haven stands for generations.
Traditional joinery meets modern engineering as the frame rises. Traditional joinery meets modern engineering as the frame rises. Crafting the 12-foot water wheel, the beating heart of our off-grid power. Cantilevered decks reach out directly over the roaring stream. Hand-cut cedar shingles give the steep roof a timeless mountain aesthetic. Water fills the buckets, and for the first time, hydroelectric power comes alive. Framing the wilderness with panoramic floor-to-ceiling glass walls.
Designing integrated terraced planters that will soon form cascading hanging gardens.
Inside, custom woodwork and a focal riverstone hearth bring ultimate cozy warmth. Planted with lush native greenery, the vertical hanging gardens come to life. Integrated spillways channel river water through private pools under the deck. Protective natural oils seal the wood, while warm night lighting sets the magical mood. From raw wilderness to sustainable architectural paradise, the ultimate luxury log home built completely from nature. Deep in the wilderness, every great off-grid sanctuary begins with total isolation and raw mud.
Foundations must hold against frost heave and endless rain. Harvesting local timber transforms raw forest into structural strength.
Stone piers keep the timber off damp earth, securing the cabin for generations. Precision timber joinery creates an indestructible foundation frame. Raising the frame brings the skeleton of the off-grid shelter to life.
A steep roof pitch is crucial for shedding heavy winter snow loads. Sealing the roof dry before the storm intensifies is a battle against time.
Vertical board and batten siding creates a rugged, weather-tight shield. A massive central masonry stone hearth will act as the heart of off-grid heat.
Winter strikes early, but a durable steel roof guarantees lifetime protection.
Solar energy harnesses the low winter sun to deliver clean off-grid independence.
Insulated glass and solid timber doors lock in vital warmth.
Layering natural insulation secures comfort in -0 temperatures. Lighting the wood stove transforms raw timber into a warm, off-grid haven. Built entirely by hand through rain and snow, an ultimate off-grid shelter stands strong against nature.